In this video, I'm going to show you how to see the holders of a Memecoin on Dexscreener. Show you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, what you need to do, you need to be logged into your Dexscreener, right? So from this Solana tab, I'm going to select any token I want, right? So I'll select this. I'll click on Lumi, which will Lumi token, right? So for us to be able to see the total holders of this Memecoin, what you need to do basically, you can see from this tab here, you can see transaction top holders, like holders, this and this, right? So what we're going to do now, I'm going to click on these holders, right? Once I click on these holders, you'll be able to see there are 14,758 holders of this token right now at the moment. So I think the token with the highest amount holds $33,000, right? He holds 20% of this token, right? So this is basically how you can see the holders of a Memecoin here on the screen. If you find this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one.